Here's how to use the new alignment and packing tools in the Dodi Design app. So I'm building out this simple kitchen here, but these three cabinets aren't aligned at all. So say I want to align this wall cabinet to one of the base cabinets. I click on the wall cabinet, which is the one I want to move, then hold Shift, click the base cabinet I want to align it to. Now I can center them, or I can align it on the left side, get it just the way that I want it. Now, of course, I still have this other base cabinet that's floating too far off to the right. So I click that, shift click on this one that I want to connect it to, and then I can use the packing tool here, pack it to the left so that it ends up on the right side of this one. Or I can put it on the other side, or if I wanted, I can move this out of the way in elevation view, and then take this, shift click on the other one, and pack it on top, and center it. Now I've got stacks of cabinets here. Of course, you can also click and drag and things will snap to adjacent cabinets. You could even put this right here if you wanted. But this is just a quick and easy way to be able to make sure everything lines up just right in your design. You can also use the alignment and packing tools on several different cabinets at once. So say I want to align this over this one, but I also want to move these two over. So this is the first one I select, hold Shift and click on this, this, and this. The last one you select is going to be your anchor that the alignment tool aligns you to. The first one is going to be the main one that moves to that alignment. And then the other ones that are selected in between are going to move relative to this one. So let me show you what I mean. Since this was the first one I selected, I'm aligning it to this. I'll center it. And then these two move the same distance over. Now if I want to pack these over to here, I just hold Shift and click that, pack this left, and then Shift click there, pack that left, and there you go. If you make any mistakes in the Dodi Design app, we have an undo and redo feature. So say I shift click on all of these cabinets and then I delete them, which is pretty hard to do accidentally since we've got this confirmation pop-up. But if I did, oh no, undo. And then if I want to have them deleted, redo. You can do that for basically anything. So if I add 5 shelves to this one cabinet here, but I didn't want to do that, now you got 0 shelves, or you can redo it. You now have the ability to leave comments on your design and reply to other comments. So if I want to tag Spencer Williams, that's me, and just say, I'm leaving a comment here. Then I can also reply to myself and say, Roger that. And it'll appear under this comment. So you can communicate with our team through there.